Hi guys, how are you? Today we're here at metrô. It's a green line and we're going back home because we want to show you how to get the metro again, because it's been a while that we filmed that video before. So
Yes. And also
we're
going to show the yellow line, the new station.
yeah,
It's about 1 year, the
Yeah.
new station, and
Yes.
it's near our house.
So let's
yeah,
go.
It's very modern, and we're going to show you that.
yeah.
If you don't have bilhete único, you can go to the ticket office, get one in paper. Used to be less expensive, and now every time you get to the subway or the bus, it's 380, guys. As you can see, it's surprising, but subway in general in Brazil is very clean. In Sao Paulo, it's very clean. Also, we have bins, recyclable bins. So we are here, Santos Imigrantes, Consolação to change to the yellow line, number 4. There is a campaign right now in the subway in Sao Paulo. Any type of sexual abuse is a crime, and every station they have agents. So if you suffer any type of abuse, you can report that to them. And there is also the number here. That's the number if you have to call or send a text, so you can report. And it's so empty. Everyone got abducted by aliens because it's like 4 o'clock. And it's like rush hour. But it's like, where's the people? Usually
It's because it's summer vacation here in Brazil. So
Yeah.
it's the first week of January, so it's
so
very empty.
no one. Okay, so the directions we are going: Vila Madalena, towards the zone west of Sao Paulo. Basically, we have only 4 lines, and it's divided by colors. It's very easy to understand. We're going towards Vila Madalena. Vila Madalena also go to directions of Avenida Paulista, and we're going to take the yellow line. Also, you can change to the blue line.
If you are old or pregnant or disabled, you can sit in the blue seats, over here. So sometimes we respect this kind of, not we, but
Some people
Some
pretend they're
people
sleeping
pretend,
just
yeah.
to not take the seat, but right now you can see how you said earlier, it's very
because
empty.
it's empty.
Usually when it's very full, people pretend that they're sleeping.
It's awful. It's very sunny outside today. But we're going down right now, so it's gonna be dark.
To the farm.
In the green line, so
Yeah.
you can change to the
To
blue line.
And also the Paraíso, you can also change for the blue line as well.
Yeah.
This station, green line, is Trianon must be. Trianon is a park, and must be it's a museum, and it's free on Tuesdays.
So now you're changing trains, going to the yellow line.
There's a lot of people now.
A lot of.
A lot. Consolação and Paulista is kind of the same section, so we have to just walk there to Paulista station to change to the yellow line. It's just like the bank and monument station if you live in London.
Wow. We're so dumb.
other side. I'm going to go to the yellow line. When you get the yellow line, going to have two destinations, Butantã or Luz. Luz is going to go to the city center, like Avenida Paulista, because the city center. This is the what zone? Faria Lima, Faria Lima Avenue and Pinheiros, around Pinheiros. Also Frigid Coutinho around Vila Madalena, and Butantã that is almost
Over the river.
Yeah, very far away.
We have some privilege in Yellow Line because the internet on your phone works here. So if you have a 3G connection, it will work here. So it's very good.
There is reception also if you want to text
Yeah,
or call.
text or call will work anywhere. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Erica told me in London it don't work because it's too
No, it doesn't.
underground and
Too deep.
too deep in the underground,
Yeah.
so you can use your phone.
Yeah.
But here you can. Brazil, cool. It's very
Good
cool.
technology.
So we get in our final lane.
Final destination.
So we're home now. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry for the noise because it's too loud because the subway is around here and people are looking at us. I don't care anymore. So subscribe to our channel, like our video, share with your
Follow us
friends.
on Instagram as well.
Follow us on every single social media. We'll put on the description below. Bye.